Hello guys! Today we are going to have a tour in our VMA STEAM lab. So now you can see these are the projects of our students. Students made these 3D printed projects. And here you can see we have also different projects here made by our students last semester, and they created some different cars using a CAD software. For this class, we are using actually Onshape, and students are integrating electronics inside. So you can see we have electronics, and using the motor and wheels at the same time, they use a laser cut material. And some of them use the 3D printed parts. So this is actually a boat and a car combination. And this is one of the samples that I used for them. So they designed it in the computer, and then they created it and printed it and cut it. So as you can see here, so on this part, this is where we're having class, basically. So students are learning here together with us, and we will also have this portable outlet so that when they need some power, they can just pull out it, and then they can plug in their laptop or computer there. And here you can see some of the tools are also available here. We have the cordless drill, we have the glue gun, and yeah, we have also all the pliers. Yeah, so cordless drill there, and we have the pliers here and the hammer. And these are important basic tools, also the screwdrivers. These are important basic tools that students can use. So also some of this cabinet is actually a multi-functional cabinet. We can use this as a workbench. At the same time, it can be used as a working station. So this one also here is the old robot of VMA with the number 7594. So this is actually an FRC robot that they used to compete before, and we want also to continue to compete in FRC. So this is actually the base of the FRC robot. So if you're starting to build some FRC robot, you will start with the base. So, and then the same here on this part, you can see these are also some measuring tools. We have the measuring tools here and some basic tools as well here. And then on this part here, so these are some of the projects that students are making. And also these are the 3D printed parts that students also making. So let's go. And on this side, so here, on this side, these are the computer where you can see this is the design and coding. This is where students are making their design at the same time making their code when they are doing some coding as well. So yeah, and here, these are actually all Arduino boards. Students will be able to learn the basic sensors that we have here, and then they will learn also how to program them. So, okay. Now, if you go and come here on this part, this is actually where the robotics part is. We have here the VEX assemblies, where we use the VEX assemblies to create some robot and to join some competitions as well. We are using actually V5 VEX robotics. And then on your right, you can see on your right, these are the FRC assemblies, where so you can see the robot outside, the big robots outside, that is made of the FRC assemblies. And here, these are some of the drones that we've been making. So we're making actually some FPV drones. So if you're interested of making FPV, so these are FPV drones as well. And then here are the 3D printers. So students are making their design at the back, and when it comes to this side, this is where they print their projects so that they will be able to produce the project something like this. So this one is actually the project of one student. It's a multi-purpose, a drawer, and they made that. And this is one of the 3D printed parts as well. So this is a 3D printed rocket. So it is intended to fly. It's not yet finished, it's ongoing. And as you can see, it is quite strong, even it's 3D printed. So let me put it back here. And then you can see this arena. This arena actually is an arena for the VEX Robotics V5. So this is one of the students' work. They are making some robots that it can get some of this stuff here. Yeah. And then it will go inside and then it will go back again. So so this is one of the sample of the VEX Robotics students are making. Yeah, so these tools over here are actually tools for the VEX Robotics tools and also FRC tools. And don't forget that when you have a makerspace, we always emphasize this. Safety first, okay? We always emphasize the students can, yes, enjoy and learn something, but always wear the safety gears. So we emphasize safety first. Then we have all the 3D printers here, and then this one is actually separated. We put a glass wall here because, as you can see, the tools that we have here are the dangerous tools. So if you go and look on this side, we have the miter saw, router, and sander, and we have also the CNC milling machines there. And we have also here, so this one is actually a table saw, and we have the laser cutter here. So the laser cutter are being used, we are not using now, but we usually use it all the time. And it's very important for you to have a laser cutter in your makerspace, because a laser cutter is very useful tool to create something like this one. So this is a sample of a laser cutter project, and even our glue gun stand is made of a laser cutter project. So this is a glue gun stand and it's made of the laser cutter. And also our cabinet, actually our table or working bench is actually a multi-purpose working bench. We have all the storage here and everything, so that can be used. And here also you can see all the tools are available here when we are making something and making some stuff also. And all the materials are available also for students when they are building some basic invention, basic robot or basic car. So the materials are available here. So wood materials are available here as well. So we make this environment more suitable for learning, more suitable for making, because we believe that making is fun, and we believe that students will be able to learn more when they put their learning into action. So as you can see, the last one here, we have the power tools on this wall. So we hang all the power tools here, and yeah, we can also use this one. These are dangerous, yes, but we will be able to, these are very useful tools, and especially students will be able to create something if they know how to use this and how to protect themselves. Okay, so that's the tour for our makerspace, VMA Makerspace. We keep on improving this makerspace, and I hope you visit or enjoy this video and come and join us here at VMA, and let's make something together.